1.
Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Chloe.
I'm Bruce.
I'm Kendall.
I'm Kim.
What would our country look like if we lowered the drinking age to 18? There are several advantages and disadvantages, but are the advantages significant enough to actually lower the drinking age? In contrast to the US, many other countries have a lower drinking age. Coming from a teenage perspective, I think that alcohol is extremely relevant in today's society, especially my generation. Living on a college campus, underage drinking is something I have noticed as a huge issue. There are several advantages to changing the drinking age to 18. The advantages include degrading the need to binge drink and preventing people from developing unsafe drinking habits. A resource says that advocates of Choose Responsibility think we should lower the drinking age to 18, and that we should have a similar process as we do for getting our driver's license. They would apply this rule by providing a test that examines if we are educated enough on drinking alcohol in a safe manner. These advocates say that the 21 law makes alcohol taboo, thus driving underage drinking underground and causing more binge drinking to take place due to the need for secrecy. Hence, by lowering the drinking age, youth consumption would come out in the open and binge drinking would be reduced or even eliminated. That was a quote said by Maine. However, there are also disadvantages to changing the legal drinking age to 18, including the increasing rates of traffic deaths related to alcohol consumption and the fact that our brains are not completely mature until around age 25. Therefore, changing the alcohol consumption age can be detrimental to the youth's health. McCarthy says in an article that mentions the idea of increasing rates of traffic deaths due to alcohol, saying that age limits on drinking have reduced alcohol-related traffic deaths by 11%. This is important to note because alcohol does have an effect on deaths in our country. In addition to a lower death rate among people consuming alcohol, a higher minimum drinking age was associated with lower rates of alcohol consumption and other alcohol-related problems. That was a quote said by Weschler and the National Library of Medicine. This shows direct correlation between keeping the drinking age at 21 and the amount of alcohol consumed in youths. Ogilvy says that some argue the drinking age should be kept at 21 because our brain doesn't finish maturing until age 25. But in that case, we should also raise the voting age and the military age. We have to be consistent, he says. This brings up an important question, which is why 18-year-olds are considered adults and can start a family, join the military, and vote, but not consume alcohol. Overall, there are several advantages and disadvantages to the discussion of changing the legal drinking age. There have been many studies showing that advantages, which are preventing people from developing unsafe drinking habits and including lowering the urge to binge drink. There are also studies showing the disadvantages of lowering the drinking age that prove it will be detrimental to the youth's health and it will cause more vehicle accidents involving alcohol. Overall, there is no perfect decision due to pros and cons that exist on a topic so controversial such as this one. So this is my poster about underage drinking. So, for example, young people ages 12 to 20 drink 11% of all alcohol consumed in the U.S. This is a chart showing the different countries and their legal drinking age. These are countries that have it at 18, 16, and some don't even have a legal drinking age. These are two pie charts about whether the drinking age should be lowered to 18 or not. 78% say it shouldn't, 21 says it should. And this is saying that a lot of people think underage drinking is a very serious thing. And the last important fact I included that I wanted to share with you guys was that alcohol consumption is the third leading cause of death in the United States.
From time to time, I'll see.
I'm showing a video now. 1 second.
Little graphics on Facebook. Country's wars, but I can't have a glass of beer, which I must admit they have a point.
It's true, I hear that too. There may be some data, though, behind the seemingly arbitrary age of 21. A new study from Boston University's School of Public Health says the 21-year-old drinking age is actually saving lives. compiling research from 1988 to 2011, their paper shows a drop in heavy drinking among college students by 7%, and a drop in drunk driving crashes, resulting in 900 fewer deaths each year.
However, researchers at Duke remind us that drunken driving has actually decreased across all age groups, not just those under the minimum legal drinking age. After
Thank you for watching. And this is my audience again to show that they haven't left.